Okay, boys and girls, we've demonstrated that we can create mosaics by using small tiles. Now what we're going to do today is actually we're going to use real stone tiles, and we're going to create this small clay turtle and use the tiles to make it look like it's got a real turtle shell. Now what we need to do first is make our turtle shape. So you're all going to receive a small lump of clay. Now what I'd like you to do is to work it in your hands and turn it into a small ball. So you can roll it between the palms of your hands, or use the table and use the palm of your hand and roll it. Okay, so once you've got your ball shape, set it back on the table and then just push it down slightly. So you've got sort of like a flatter ball shape. Now the first thing we're going to have to do is make a head, and we're going to use a technique called pinch and pull. So we're going to pinch, and then pull it. So you get this nice turtle head, and there you can see the turtle head coming already. Now there's my ball shape still, turtle head. We're going to do the same pinch and pull to make 4 flippers. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to pinch and pull. So what that means is that you're pulling it to the length that you want. I'm going to do this one on this side. We can already start to see the shape of our turtle coming. Okay, going to bend his head up a little bit as well. Number 3, flipper, pinch and pull. And number 4, pinch and pull. Now you can use your fingers and smooth the shape down. So any creases that you've got and you want to smooth it down, just do that. Now underneath, using the point of a pencil, just score in the initials of your name. So I'm going to do L for Lorri and D for Donaghy. So I've got L-D. Okay? And then, when you're happy with the shape of your turtle, take the pencil point again, pop it carefully on one side of the head, and then on the other side of the head, so that your turtle can see. And if you want, you can actually give him a little smile as well. Okay? Just a little line score. That's if you want to. Now there's the shape. Now when this clay dries, it will actually shrink slightly because there's water in there at the moment, and when water evaporates, things get slightly smaller. So what we need to do to make sure that these mosaic tiles don't fall out is that I'm going to give the shell of my turtle a coating of glue. I'm just going to brush it on. Don't worry if it gets onto the tables. But we need to make sure that when we push in our mosaic tiles, they stay in and they don't fall out when the clay dries. So that is why, boys and girls, we give it a good coating of this special glue. And if you can see, I'm pushing in the tiles into the clay. So you have to push them in so that they're virtually sunken into the surface. And there, boys and girls, I'm just going to finish him off, is how you make a mosaic clay turtle using real stone today. And it will probably take about a full day for the clay to dry. And there we are, boys and girls, there is my little clay turtle. Now it's your turn, boys and girls. Let's now go and make some art.